How to add Facebook pixel to Shopify. So first, go to your Shopify admin dashboard here, and then click on the search bar here. Look for Facebook, and then click on this application here, Facebook and Instagram. Then click on install. Then click on install again. Okay, after loading, let's just wait for it. Okay, now let's just click on get started. Now connect your Facebook account. Click on connect account. Then just log in your Facebook here. Okay, confirm account. Then click on allow. After that, just create your business portfolio, create new. And for the preference, you can choose any one here. I'll just choose maximum. Then just click on save. Then after that, just create your meta pixel, create new. And then click on confirm. After that, just click on this, click on the checkbox here. Then click on submit for review. After that, just wait for Facebook to review it, and then you will see your Facebook pixel on your Shopify. And that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.